So we have no cure for psoriasis so far. Of course, you all know that surgery cannot do the repair. We have certain medicines, certain creams and other things. When it is applied, some of them or most of them are. This is going to be the reason for psoriasis. Why? Because the microbiome part of the body is so huge that the highest microbiome population is found between the dental to the anus in the gastric. So there's a beautiful food methodology to recorrect, to completely cure yourself from psoriasis. What you're supposed to do: stay away from animal proteins including eggs, become pure vegetarian. Hello viewers, I'm your Dr. C.K.N. A warm welcome to this program. In the last 100 years, humanity has been studying the human skin under the subject of dermatology, which is a very big subject today. Innumerable number of educational curriculum degrees are available. But what we are going to talk to you today is about the problem of psoriasis. Psoriasis is a skin problem. It ultimately becomes a skin problem. It is studied under the subject of dermatology. In the ancient science, it's been studied under the name of Granthi. The ancient Tamil science have categorized this into 38 different branches, but one and the same. Okay. So what we need to understand is, as we all know, that skin is the biggest organ in the body. That's how we study the skin part of human body in the modern science. At the same time, skin is also a primary immune barrier. Does not allow any outside pathogens into our body piercing the skin. This is very important. So the follicles and the dermatological components, they play a lot of role in wound care and wound healing and all that. We're not going to talk about that. We're not going to talk about keloids and other things. We're going to talk about the skin problem called psoriasis. So we have no cure for psoriasis so far. We do have some medicines. Of course, you all know that surgery cannot do the repair. So we have certain medicines, certain creams and other things. You know, when it is applied, some of them or most of them are steroid based. When it is applied, it suppresses it. You know, you feel that, you know, you have become all right. Yes, it becomes all right. But then within no time, it erupts back again in a bigger manner. So what exactly is happening is there are a lot of researches going on trying to understand how exactly to understand psoriasis and how exactly to find the cause of psoriasis so that we can come out with a remedy where we can give the benefit to the patients who suffer from many types of psoriasis. You know that many people suffer from scalp psoriasis also. There are many people who suffer from eczema and other things, which is also a part of psoriasis in the ancient Tamil science. So psoriasis in the ancient scientific understanding was a problem of hematology. It is a problem, something to do with the blood. So as we all know, the skin gets the nourishment by innumerable number of hundreds and thousands of capillaries beneath the skin. A capillary is 1/16 of a human hair, which supply nourishment to the blood, the skin. Now, when the plasma of the blood get into certain acidic conditions, this is going to be the reason for psoriasis. Why? Because the microbiome part of the body is so huge that the highest microbiome population is found between the dental to the anus in the gastro. The second largest microbiome population is found in the dermis health. So if your plasma is going to become into certain acidic conditions, it may be due to many factors, majorly because of our food, uncontaminated water and polluted air and so on. Then what happens? The blood supply to the skin through the capillaries with this acidic condition of the plasma is going to disturb the microbiome world of the dermatological health, which results in certain abnormalities of the harmonious chemical balance of the dermis world. This is going to affect our skin, which will result in psoriasis. In our video playlist, this has been discussed in our local language Tamil. Those who know the language can go and see that program also. Now, what am I to do if I get into psoriasis? Psoriasis has no medicines. And there are certain metal-based medicines were available those days. Now nobody is doing it. And metal-based medicines has to be carefully dealt and done, because I don't do any metal-based medicines. Because if you are not doing it properly, it can result in a lot of side effects. So there's a beautiful food methodology to recorrect, to completely cure yourself from psoriasis. What you're supposed to do? Stay away from animal proteins, including eggs. Become pure vegetarian. Eat your food on the plantain leaf all 3 times, a banana leaf, otherwise ceramic plate. Cook your rice in neem firewood in an earthen pot. Rest all your gravy and your vegetables, everything can be cooked in the gas stove with metal. Earthen pot to be used to cook your rice with a neem firewood only every 20 days. You change your earthen pot to a new one and eat this food twice a day. This rice should be cooked with the excess water drained, and then this hot rice should be served on the banana leaf and taken. If you can follow this for 6 months, you will be completely cured from all kinds of skin disease, not only psoriasis. And you should continue this food pattern for the next 6 months for it not to come back again. So this is a foolproof system. I have advised this to many people. Thousands of people have cured themselves from not only psoriasis, so many other skin problems by adopting to this food pattern. If you are suffering from any skin problem or very bad psoriasis up to the scaling and all that, please practice this and get yourself cured completely. Good luck. Till then, I see you again. Bye.